Of standard 7th, as I have provided you the important points of civics lesson number 1, that is introduction to our constitution. Okay, now we will continue with the same chapter. Now here there is some objective questions, MCQ questions. You can see. You can see the MCQ questions. First one, if you find blur, then hear my voice and note it down. The administration, ADMINISTRATION. The administration of our village or city is carried out in accordance, ACCORDANCE, accordance with dash. Second, the book in which all the provisions PROVISIONS regarding REGARDING the administration of the country are mentioned, MENTIONED, together, TOGETHER, in the systematic, SYSTEMATIC, systematic way is called a dash. Next one, third one, democracy, DEMOCRACY. Democracy is dash due to increased participation. Increase spelling INCREASED. Participation, PARTICIPATION. Participation of the people. Option is given to you. Fourth one, the process of the making. The process, PROCESS. The process of the making of the Indian Constitution, CONSTITUTION, started in the year dash. Fifth one, a committee, COMMITTEE, a committee which was established, ESTABLISHED, established to prepare the constitution, CONSTITUTION, Constitution of Independence, INDEPENDENT, independent India was the dash. Next one, there were a total of dash member in the Constituent Assembly. Seventh one, dash was the chairman, CHAIRMAN, of the drafting committee, COMMITTE. Eighth one, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar is called a dash of Indian Constitution, INDIAN, Indian Constitution, CONSTITUTION. Ninth one, dash is observed, OBSERVED, as dash day, that is Constitution Day. Constitution, Constitution Day. You have to write the dates. 10th one, 26th January is celebrated as dash day. 11th one, our constitution is a or an dash document, document of the provisions, provision, related, related to the administration, administration of the country. Now next one is match the column. Okay, there are two columns, column A and column B. In column A, first one, 15 August. Column A, second one, 26 January. 26 January. Third one, here third one is 26 January and second one is 26 November. तो ठीक है, ऊपर नीचे आप लिख सकते हो. सेकेंड वन 26 जनवरी आपने लिखा है तो थर्ड वन में 26 नवंबर लिखो. एंड फोर्थ वन 26 जनवरी 1950. Now come to column B. First one, Constitution Day, CONSTITUTION, Constitution Day. B1 यानी सेकेंड वन, रिपब्लिक डे. थर्ड वन, इंडिपेंडेंस डे. एंड फोर्थ वन, country began to be governed. Country began to be governed, GOVERNAD, according, ACCORDING, to the Constitution. Now next one, choose the correct option. The constitutions of this country is primarily unwritten. Dash. The constitution, CONSTITUTION, of this country is primarily unwritten. Option A, America. Option B, India. Option C, England. Option D, none of these. Second one, who was the President of the Constituent Assembly? Who was the President of Constituent Assembly? Option A, Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Option B, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And option C, Durgabai Deshmukh. And option B, B.B. Rai. Option D is B.B. Rai. You have to choose the answer. Third one, who among these was not a member of a Constituent Assembly? Who among these are not a member of a Constituent Assembly? Option A, Mahatma Gandhi. Option B, Maulana, MOULANA, Maulana Azad. Option C, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Rajkumari, RAJKUMARI, Amrit, AMRIT, Amrit Kaur. And option D, Hansaben Mehta. HANSABEN, Hansaben Mehta, MEHTA. Fourth one, who was the chairman of a drafting committee? Option A, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Option B, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Option C, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Option D, J.B. Kripalani, Kripalani. Okay students, so this is your notes, objective notes. Write it down in your book. In my next video, I will come with a new notes of lesson number 2. Is that clear? Till then, have a great day. Thank you.